Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. We had an interesting day today. Powell had a speech and yeah, things happened. We saw a big nuke of the dollar and then a big spike up, and we kind of saw the opposite on gold, for example. When the dollar nuked, gold went up and Bitcoin went up and the euro went up. And yeah, the only one who's still looking very good in my opinion is the S&P 500. It's funny to look at these correlations. S&P 500, my plan is still intact. I painted it over here, and yeah, it's just making all-time high after all-time high. I would take profit by the touch of this green trend line over there. That one has some history, as you can see. So looking at Bitcoin, because of the Powell speech, we had kind of a fake out of this trend, and zooming in, we see we are back in a smaller pattern. You could say we are in a small channel on the hourly chart. We want that to break up and break out of this bigger channel over here. We had a couple taps on the downside and we want some more on the upside and break out. So that's basically it for Bitcoin. Over here we have quite some resistance from the VPVR. That's the volume per price range over here. And yeah, all the way to 12k. That is kind of a bit of a resistance. So yeah, wait and see what happens. Right now the funding is kind of flat. We saw it a little bit negative earlier on, and that was over here where it started to go negative and then it squeezes up a little bit. I hope a lot of shorts are coming in so we can continue to squeeze them a little bit up to the upside. A little bit of a short squeeze. Anyway, this is a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, if we zoom out, we see a pattern like this. In a big rising wedge, but still looking very good, and we can break those to the upside. Rising wedge is usually kind of bearish, but it can break up as well. And this is Ethereum. Ethereum, we want to hold 360, this level over here. On a bigger time frame, it is kind of support as well over here. So we want to keep 360, and we're kind of in a downward channel as well, which we want to break up. If you zoom in even a little bit more, we can see an inverse head and shoulders over here, and over here. So yeah, we want to break that up, and it actually looks a little bit good. Taking a look at Ethereum BTC, we see the same small inverse head and shoulders over here. Looking kind of good, I think. We want to break it up soon. And yeah, that's about it, I would say, for Ethereum. Bond is looking good today. Bond USD, they had this trend line over here, or you could say something like this as well, a little bit channel, but we broke it up really good, and we did 2 retests on it, and right now we want to see higher highs again. We already did that after these highs, so Bond USD is looking good. Zooming out a little, and yeah, they're looking good, breaking up. Nothing else to say. Putting it along to the all-time high is possible over here, but maybe they have some more upside. But yeah, Bond is looking good. Bond BTC is looking very good as well. Had a break of this channel as well, and had a low over here, and they made a higher low, broke out, made a higher high, just like the USD version. So Bond BTC is looking very good as well. Yeah, you can long it. Like, you have my permission to long it. Algo USD, they need to bounce now, because right now on a lower time frame it is kind of a triple bottom, and that is bad. They are, however, on support over here. Big support, yes, but they need to go up. They need to move up from here, because it's dangerous to sit in it that long. So yeah, this is support for algo. If you think it bounces over here, if it holds, then this is a buying moment, but they've been touching that one a little bit too long. 2 equal bounces over here, and now the third tap on support. So yeah, not looking too good for yeah, in my eyes. Like I said, funding kind of flat. If you want to trade with some leverage, make sure to use one of these links. They're also in the video description. You help me, but you also help yourself by getting some discounts. And if you use one of these links, you can always come to me for quick questions or anything or help. Let me know what you need. I'm always down to talk. So yeah, that's what gives you this. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, I think I'm bullish. I mean, this channel at some point I think it will break up, and I'm bullish. Not sure if we've seen the bottom yet of it. Worst case scenario, we will be going back to 10k in my opinion. Let's zoom in a little bit. So yeah, you've seen the VPVR over here. We have a lot of support. Worst case, I think at this moment, the worst case, of course it can always go way worse, but in the worst case right now, I think we go back to about just below 10k, stop everybody out, make everybody short on the bottom, and then we move up. We have kind of a gap over here at 10.5k, so a big flush over here, shake everyone out, make everybody short, and then we continue the bull run. And why do I say bull run? Because I'm quite bullish. Sorry, that was the wrong one. Why am I so bullish? Well, that is because we broke on a higher time frame this level. And what happens when those lines break? A bull run starts. So yeah, that is why I'm so bullish and quite confident. This is the bull run. So yeah, we have this one as well, of course, perfect one. If a trend line like this, a big one, breaks, big things happen. We saw it over here. We went from around 3k, 4k to 14k in a couple months, 3 months, and right now we broke it out again. So yeah, I think we will see a couple Ks to the upside. I think the bull run, but we can come back for a retest over here or a shakeout, a violent shakeout like things we see over here. Boom, everybody shake out everybody. Over here as well, shake out everybody and continue up. Over here, I mean, we can see it all over. We saw it over here as well. We went from around 8k all the way back to 6.2. And percentage wise, that is a big drop. So I think we can expect things like that as well over here. Boom to the downside, shake everybody out, and continue. So yeah, this is kind of a bearish break over here, but the daily is not looking that good actually. Yeah, we still have to see. I'm still bullish, but a retest on 10k would keep me bullish as well, and a wick to the downside, a hard wick to the downside, would actually make me even more bullish than bearish. So that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you use one of these ref links, and I see you guys again tomorrow.